This is just a word about filters. If you look up here where it says mark forums red, I did that. And when you mark all forums red, it'll tell you or ask you, okay, so now if I go to new posts, it shows no new posts. However, look over here and it says filters. And you can see here it clicks on, gives you the option of unread threads, etc. all down through. And notice over here it says show only unread. I could have done that to click X on that, and in that case it shows me all the recent discussion threads. The point of this though was to show you that when you use filters, there are things you can do with those filters, and to make sure that you check over here, because a lot of times in this area right here there will be something like a filter see here, show only unread. Click that, remove this filter, and it will show you everything. I'll have more about filters in the near future, because you can also sort some things, threads and such, in forums using filters. More on filters later. Enjoy!